you're back together. And the best friend. Hello. I think I'm gonna take off the bow. It's too girly. Hello, everyone. How is everyone doing? Oh, that's why. You better, take off. Hello. Shout out sa kay oh, ribbon is cute. I wonder how's everybody doing. Hi Zai. Hello Mingay. Hello, lalagnatin yata ako guys. Kanina pa ako 1 AM gising. Thank you. Cute na to. Ito na yung cute. You guys. You guys. Okay, kas. Sige, ilad man ni si I'm Chani, oy. Asa naman panchani dara? Just gonna do this up though because I am done already with my job. Guys, thank you so much to every sunshines and sa lahat ng aces sa tumulong and sa lahat ng mga may ibang hindi naman party sa fandom but to help. I'm so grateful to all of you guys. I'll promise not just to you, but to myself, that I'll be a good... I'll try to be a good model to every single one of you. Do my best. I did not do good, look. I look like Ryuji from Breath of Fire. If you guys watch RPG na mga games, yung mga you better take sorry for this. Pag walang supply. River is here. Hi, Charlie Saas. You too. So freaking much. Oh my god, oh my god. Sorry, Lord. Yes, you're moving. Hello. Sorry na, kuya. Practice na yung iba. So, maghintay muna ako ng kasi kumakain pa ako kanina. Rest ko muna chan ko para hindi naman ako mag-appendicitis. Charles. Hey, may brand. LOL. Laugh out loud. Here, if you guys wanna know how I do my matcha, it's no sweet, sub soy, and less ice. Just pure matcha and sub soy without any sweeteners. So it's plain. I really like it that way. Kamusta mga araw niyo? Oh, nakamute pala ako. Better. Ganyan talaga, sabi daw nila, pag magaganda, hindi daw nakakarinig. So, ang mga nagsabi na walang sounds, magaganda. Hindi ako nakamute, maganda kayo. Thank you, guys. Sunshines, thank you so much, ha. And sa mga aces na nag-vote, thank you so much. I mean, I think this is a sign too. Multiple signs. I have a lot of signs that's just happening recently this year. And I think it's a sign. So, hello. Maganda sa coloring, guys, Lightroom. Diyan ako nagko-color ng colors, kung anong template yung gusto ko. I like that. Shoutout kay JKJ, madam. Kick up. Tick up. Nangkat pala ng bakasyon lete. Sana, puhon, unta. Kaluyan sa Ginoo. Stop. I'm still missing Tabing Ilog. I'm still missing everyone. I'm still sad. I might audition in some, if may audition, I'll try to audition. I'll do my best. So you guys will see me again in theater. And it's my training ground, so I'll still keep on doing theater. Such a good talent development playground. Shout out to Giselle. Hello, Giselle. Di ko na napadala quick mo. Kaya lang, Ate Pao. You don't have to. I love you. Shout out kay GKJ, madam. Si man ini? Hoy, Ate Jonabeth, ikaw man di ay na. Hello, te. Asa naman ka? Ama naman ka. Thank you. Thank you for appreciating Korean. She's the best girl. in town. Thank you, main profile. You better take off. Ang kain mo ito. Unta pohon kay. Unta pohon makauli ko. Bawal kantahon ang isang araw ang mga songs sa theater, bawal namin kantahin sa labas because it's on the contract. We cannot sing it outside. Sorry. It's strictly for theater only, unless they're gonna release the song so we can cover it. But no, they did not. So we can't. You better check off. Hello kay Amia. Hi Nadine, Paula, hello. Cooperativa. Yeah. I miss Ate Meow. I miss Ate Anchang. I miss Kuya Toots. I miss George. Stop, guys. You guys should stop it. Or I'll be Korean for the rest of the week. Hey, I am Kiara. Kyra pala. Sorry, Kyra. Hello, Joseph. Musta si Stephanie? Stephanie yun. Sumasayaw siya. Stephanie pala, kasama ko pala sa Dance Sirens, guys. Hi. I might do one. Wait. Wait. Guys, my goodness. I don't know if I'm homesick for Tabing Ilog or I'm homesick sa Siargao. Gusto ko nang umuwi. But I don't really know where's my home anymore. Is it in San Juan E or is it in Siargao? I don't really know, guys. Ala, sige nga kay, ikaw magtudlo sa ako mag-surf ng daon pinakadugay na surf, daw mag-tubing jod, tubing. Just kidding. Jana, I miss you. Where are you? Guys, this is my future pilot friend. And I miss her so much. She's the best of the best. I miss you, John. You guys are just making me miss you more. Guys, I wanna go home so bad. So bad. Like, I can't wait for Christmas. Jana, where are you? Guys, tumaba nga ako ngayon. Tinan mo. Lumaki mukha ako ngayon. Kalaman-laman ako ngayon. Dahil stress ako lately sa tabing ilog. Kasi nga naman, hindi ma-easy ang theater. Kailangan mo galingan para hindi ka mapag-iwanan. Ang dami mambobola dito. Alis nga kayo. Bobola kayo eh. Ano yan? Hoy, Alvix. Bawal dito yung mga ano ha. Ano yan? I don't allow that here. I'll block you. Bahala ka dyan. Bastos. Kung makita ko, Joseph, thank you. Bastos yun. Pakabastos. Dili pa dyan sa ako account. Klaro. Nguyagan. Kung manguyag mo, ayaw panguyag diri sa ako ko ano, live. Tarong mo dira. Kulagot dira, uy. Manguyag mo, ayaw mo pag-uyag-uyag diri sa ako, live. Kay bawal diri na. Bastos naman. Ha? Kayo ha, mga chismoso kayo ha. Wait. I'm lonely, guys. I don't have any partner. I just have my cooperativa matcha latte. Cooperativa. Cooperativa. Yeah. I don't like any sweeteners. That's why I just like it plain. Next time, guys. Oh my god. There's like a freaking... Buti hindi shumot sa inumin ko. Guys, may cockroach, guys. O, tingnan niyo. Hi, cockroach. Ayaw diri kay malata ka dira. Mapisa ka. Yung cockroach. Muntik ko na maapakan. Nahulog siya bigla dyan. Mga chismosa, alis! Chismosa. Guys, kung makichismis kayo, dapat yung wala ding masabi sa inyo, ha? Dapat yung walang masabi sa inyo, ha? It's not nice to talk behind somebody's back, okay? Sa ipis ako mabait, pero sa ahas hindi. Charas na. Ano maan, di mamansin? Mas gwapa ka. Kinsay wala makeup ron. Kamu, diba? Oh, kamong gwapa. Thank you! Salamat kaayo! Uy, hindi hairspray yung ginamit sa akin. Excuse me. Hello! Here's my imperfections because nagkapawis-pawis ako. Ay, anong bungang araw? Nagkabungang araw ko, guys. So, tingnan niyo. Katin yan. Pag magkita, hindi pa kami nagkita eh. Hiya ako guys. Happy birthday. Kuya Mark, I miss you. Love you. Hindi mo kaya ako makihiram ng charger. Manghiram muna ako charger, guys. Wait lang. Standing next to you. Ate, may charger ko, ate.
Anong charger? Type-C?
Oh, yung ganito.
Yes! I'll give you.
Thank you. May nabiktima. Alam nyo guys, di na ako nag-charge sa bahay. Hello. Nakahiya ko. Thank you! Oh my goodness! Alam, hindi pala Type-C ako, ate.
iPhone?
Oo, yung
iPhone.
old, yung old. Thank you. Mali pala ako. Sorry.
Yes! Tama na.
Thank you, ate. Sweet naman. Ba yan? Ang sweet naman ng mga tao. Swerte ko. Charge na. Thank you. Ay, same kami. Meron din ako nito. Nasa sasakyan lang. Kasi di gumagana. Magdagbili ako ng ganito. Ano to? Connector. Di gumagana connector ko. So, nasayang yung bili ko kasi di gumagana. So, I'll buy later. Pupunta ako sa mall para makapagpili. Ay, tagningaw na pod ko. Pagtarong ka mo dito, no? Pag binuutan ka mo. Ay, gusto ni TikTok ko. Yung alam ko naman, guys. Kasi wala pa akong alam ngayon. Newest trend. Tell me. What are the newest trends? Abangan nyo! Oh, makapos ako. Kuwayay, boses. Gamay, paus ko gamay. Feeling ko, araw ko ngayon. Hindi ko alam. Sticky dance, what's that? Yeah. Ang gagwapo, tsaka ang gaganda ng mga singer. Oh, ng mga dancer, singer na nun. Mga dancers, ang gagwapo. Philip Matthew, I miss you. Si Philip Matthew, I miss you, my dear. Suspect. Suspect. May pasyente, nakagala. I can't wait to practice na, guys. Hello, Ligaya. Amazing. Hoy, pag-practice na may girl. Ayaw si Gwilt hulat dira. Pag-practice na dira. Kaya ako nagmamatcha, guys, para maging match. Match siya sa akin. Suspect. May nagjo-joke ko lay. No, not with D-grind. Wala akong D-grind ngayon eh. Nasa ano sila? Nasa Thailand. Matcha. Para matcha sa akin. Feeling ko siya na eh. Kaya matcha. Stop. That's crazy. That's ridiculous. How embarrassing. Ah. Hala guys, ilap nga ako sa lalaki, di nga ako marunong lumandi. I mean, I tried my best, but I'm just awkward. I'm such a weirdo. Siguro magka-jowa ako, mga 30 na ako. Pero gusto ko magka-jowa ako, mga 25. Or 28. Para diretso kasal na. Let's go! Let's get married! Uy! Brazzy Bruno. What's that? A new TikTok? I'll try. Thank you to Mommy Ruth for gifting me this. Now I'm wearing it. Oh, yeah, this pimple is so annoying. Yes, dapat first and last. Huwag basta-basta ibigay ang oo. That's the dance. Anyways. Yes! Kay Mami Ruth. Ano ka stan, Angie? Baby, kalma. Uy, taga-Biliran man din. Hello, Angela Garas. Kamusta mo dira sa Biliran? Wala masyado, guys. Kasi, first of all, I forgot about my camera. The camera is really important and I forgot about it. And second of all, I went straight from the awarding to here in ABS to do my rehearsals for the Christmas special. Start na? Yeah, I'm ready, guys. I'm going. This is final. Bye. We're gonna start na. Bye-bye. Babush.